Hey guys, so now let's learn how to download and install applications in iPhone from Google Chrome. So basically, you could use this Google itself, Google Chrome, to download these applications. As you can see here, you're going to have some prompts. If you want to search some specific applications over here, you could actually just search them. And let's say you want to download something like What App Download. As you can see here, it's going to redirect to the App Store. But once you add on to the other applications that allow you to download other third-party applications that is not available on the Apple App Store, you can add it over and do so. Just download the APK over here, and you could use a third-party application like an APK launcher or something like that to launch that specific APK so that it may run on iOS. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.